Hello, welcome back to Frugal in Norfolk. I'm going to show you how I make one of my daily fruit pots. It's full of some really nice things. I have different flavours, but this is one of my favourites. In here is 100 grams of blackberries that have come out of our freezer. They were grown in our garden this year. And into that I'm going to add the juice of one whole lemon, and then it's topped up with water to 200 ml. Now this is normally a recipe that you make all in one, but because I don't like the pips in brambles, I do this bit first. Oh, we're a bit damp. Let's just wipe things down. Okay, bit of a noise now while we do this. Okay, so I'm just going to pour that out and take out the pips. I'll also just give both these a rinse. Okay, so just put that through there. Back of a tablespoon helps. You can see all the pips there. Now this does give you extra fibre, extra roughage. I just don't like them. Okay, that can now go back in here. Look at that, looks almost like blood. Now into this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of brown linseed and 1 tablespoon of chia. Now you could do 2 chia, 2 brown linseed, or you can use golden linseed if that's what you prefer. This is to build up the fibre. And then for more fibre and extra goodness, we're going to put in 100 gram of thawed mango, which has been frozen, and 10 gram of diced fresh ginger. Just be careful, don't get it everywhere. Some of the ginger has escaped. We've had a little splash. Okay, so I'm going to put that back on. Make sure you screw this on level because it has a habit of going on skew with. Okay. I'm going to whiz that up again. Now we just want to check this for sweetness. It can be a bit sour. It shouldn't be with the mango in. That's okay for me. You might need, depends on the size of your lime. Oh, yeah, I did say lime, didn't I? If you've got a really big lime, you might need to put a little bit of maple syrup in, but I think that's going to be fine. What do we store these in? You could just store it in a jug, but because they are daily shots, I've got these cute little, I don't know how much they hold, but they're very small jam jars. And just carefully pour some in. You might find that the ginger hasn't gone fully down. You can grate that if you prefer. I don't mind chewing it. I love ginger. It will give you a jar for 3 days. Oh, some lumps gone in that one. Plus, I've got a little cup here, and I'll have that later today. I'll screw the little lids on. Now these live in the fridge and they will stay there for, you have one a day over 3 days, and they're just full of so much goodness. And if you have problems going to the toilet or anything like that, these are great. So I'll just show you those. Okay, so there you have it. 3 lovely jars of fruit shot, fruit healthy drink, full of goodness, and enough just to have for today. Hope you'll give it a go, because it is really nice and very good for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.